Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Madison Middle School, home of the Mustangs, here in Oceanside, California. This is my final visit for this school year, 2024-2025. And I just got to address the middle school students and staff, part of the AM/PM after school program right here in the library. The focus today was on perseverance, the sub-theme being having a growth mindset, right? And we say growth mindset versus fixed mindset. This is one of the slides that was part of the presentation today. And we want to be somebody that has that growth mentality, right? That constant room for improvement. The biggest room in our lives is the room for improvement, right? And this person, failure, they see it as an opportunity to grow. That if they make a mistake, they're not a mistake. If they fail, that they're not a failure. It's just part of the learning process. They can learn and do anything they want to do if they stick with it, knowing that challenges help them grow. The effort and attitude determines their abilities. They take feedback constructively, not personally. They're inspired by the success of others, right? It's not about jealousy. It's not about the comparison game. It's just about focusing on ourselves, right? That we can do our best, try our hardest, not give up. We have the control over our effort, right? Over our attitude, for sure. This person likes to try new things. And overall, they're going to just keep trying to be better each and every day in every area of life. And whether that's how we talk to ourselves, hopefully in a more positive manner, making that a healthy habit, or how we talk to others as well, our actions towards them too. The whole idea is we either can lift ourselves up, the self-belief, and the people around us, or we can tear them down and tear ourselves down too, right? Whatever you tell your brain and heart, it's going to believe. We don't want to tell it something negative. We want to tell it something positive. That's why I wear this shirt for this particular assembly, as well as my positivity assembly too. Be your best self. And the words are upside down on purpose. Just keep your head up. Because if you're feeling sad or looking down or feeling down, it reads, keep your head up. Reminder to always think positive no matter what. No matter what we're going through, currently in our lives or have gone through, will go through, like we talked about today with the students, it's all about shifting this angle of vision. That we count our blessings. We have this attitude of gratitude too. That yes, we're going to have trials and some really tough and difficult things and situations in our lives, whether it relates to our health or loss or physical ailments, emotional pain, intellectual, mental pain, hurt that's in our hearts, others around us that get hurt and that makes us feel down. But at the end of the day, the bigger picture is that we can still say, hey, there's still so much good in our lives, right? Like the white space and the small black dot. The black dot is, all the bad stuff, but the white space is still our goals, our dreams, our aspirations, right? That internal fire and that drive and that desire to help others. And when we start to help others, well, now we feel better about ourselves too. And it's just this constant snowball effect. It just keeps growing and growing and growing. This feeling of joy, right? And to be that joyous person is contagious to the people around us, and it's something that's totally needed, right? In today's world, in society at large. So the students really got that. We had some pin drop moments. We shared some stories of other people that have been through a lot, probably more than most of us, but we're still choosing to have a positive outlook on life. And we're always, still choosing success, right? However that looks to us, that we keep trying, that we keep going, that don't quit also says do it. And we just keep rising above, right? Learning, growing, and just advancing, each and every moment. So hopefully it touched your heart as much as it did for mine. Keep shining that light. Keep believing that we're all miracles. We always talk about that too. And, just have a great rest of the school year, great summer. Hope to see you again next school year. Until then, though, feel free to hit the subscribe button. You'll see it pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation. And feel free to visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart one school at a time. Peace.